Happy Wednesday. So let's start off with a pre-market prep. So, how's the mindset? How are we feeling today? Got woken up by my alarm at 4 a.m. Stayed in bed for around 5 minutes. Reviewed my trade. After that, reviewed my trade from yesterday. Started my morning routine. And 5:30 headed out to train jiu-jitsu. Got a bit home a little bit later than usual. Started my pretty much after jiu-jitsu routine at 7:50. Coffee, sunlight, and audiobook. I was only able to do that for 10 minutes. And 8 a.m. clocked in to work. Slept around 8 hours last night. I went to sleep around 7:30. Woke up with a ton of energy at 11:55 p.m. When I wake up like that, I usually like to stay awake, but because it was it was too early. It was 12 p.m. So if it was like around 2 a.m., I'm more like, no, I just stayed up. But because it was so early, I forced myself back to sleep. But got woken up by my alarm at 4 a.m. Overall, very, very good sleep. Feeling pretty good. Tire wise, feeling like a 2. So feeling pretty good for today. So let's see what the market presents. Starting off with news, Jerome Powell is speaking today at 12-ish. So meaning today could be a choppy day. Just keeping that in back of mind. But let's start off. So SPY, very nice bullish doji yesterday, but we did gap lower. It wouldn't look bad. Again, Jerome Powell is speaking, so we might chop around. But if we actually break yesterday high day for a gap fill, same thing with QQQ. We're currently trading around 518, and QQQ currently trading around 440. So let's see what happens. If we do pull back, it could be an inside day. Again, Jerome Powell is speaking, so I've seen this trend that when Jerome Powell is speaking in the afternoon, most of the time we do have a choppy day. So let's see what happens. But let's start off with Tesla. So Tesla, we had some news yesterday. We got delivery numbers in pre-market session yesterday. So we had a very, very nice gap lower. We closed, I want to say more like a doji. So very simple. We're currently holding near pre-market low. It looks pretty damn interesting. So on the higher time frame, as you can see here, weekly looks like a nice bear flag. So that's what I'm liking. So very simple. Below yesterday low a day for a nice move to this monthly key level, which is a new monthly low. And if we could break that, potentially move to 160. And if sellers are really in control, which might not be the case because of the day, because again, Jerome Powell is speaking, but who knows? We could see a push to maybe 155. So yeah, let's see what presents. My second interest, I like Meta. So Meta is on the higher time frame, so it looks bullish. We have like a weekly bull flag, and we are currently holding above yesterday high day and above 2 days ago high day. So just looking at for a break and hold. Like I want to break and hold above 500 psychological level for a potential move to this daily key level. Very, very simple. Google has very low volume as well as Meta, but we broke all-time highs, and we created this kind of like rally-based rally on the daily. So just looking for that. I want to see for this one, volume is very low, so I definitely want to see volume quick in, and for us to hold above yesterday high day and pre-market high for potential move to 2 days ago high day, which is 157. And then I have MU. I wasn't planning on paying attention to it, but once I was checking the pre-market volume, I noticed that it might be a typo because it's not giving the vibe in pre-market session, but it has some insane volume in pre-market session. It might just be a typo again. So I just put it there in the back burner. Who knows if that's the case, and we see like if we have that good of a volume, the good thing with that is that there's a lot of people interested in it. So we might see some clean price action. So that's what I'm looking for. We did have this kind of, not the best looking, but rally-based rally. So just looking for that. Want to see a hold above pretty much pre-market high for a move to yesterday high day, and buyers are really strong, potentially 125. And if the case is that the volume is true, that we have a very big high volume, which kind of doesn't really, I don't know, I have the feeling that it's just a typo, but if that's the case, we could potentially see a move to pretty much all-time highs. But let's jump into the smaller time frame. So let's start off with Tesla. So Tesla, very simple, as I said. What I like is we're holding near pre-market low. So a break and hold below pre-market yesterday high low a day for a move to monthly key level 160.51 and psychological low 160. And if sellers are really in control, potentially a move to 155. Playbook, no. Need to make sure to wait for break and hold below yesterday low day for confirmation, because we could easily consolidate. Again, Jerome Powell was speaking today, so it could easily consolidate, but it's looking pretty decent. But I want to see a break and hold below yesterday low day before taking this trade. Meta. So Meta has pretty low volume in pre-market session. Very simple above, but again, this is what I like. It's holding fairly strong. It's holding above yesterday high day and above 2 days ago high day. So above pre-market high and psychological low 500 for a move to daily key level 504.25. Low volume pre-market session, so want to be cautious. Google. So with Google, above yesterday high day, very low volume in pre-market session. So definitely this one doesn't really seem like it's going to work out, but have it there. Above yesterday high day and pre-market high for a move to 2 days ago high day 157. Very low volume pre-market session, so want to make sure to wait for volume to kick in if play wants to work out. And then we have MU, as I said, some insane volume in pre-market session. Again, I feel like it's a typo, but I have it there in the back burner just in case. Above pre-market high, which is 122.8, for a move to yesterday high day, which is 123.668, and psychological low 125. Very, very simple. So yeah, this is pretty much what I mean. Let me just hide myself here. So as you see here, MU, the average volume in pre-market session is 19.7, and supposedly we have over 1 million. So it just doesn't seem to be right, but who knows? I like just even the volume, like even the price action in pre-market session, not giving that vibe. So just have it there in the back burner just in case. But yeah, that's pretty much the pre-market prep for April 3rd.